Hey guys, super quick trade recap from this morning. Before market open, it looked like we were going to be trading lower. I tried to get a short here, and immediately we went right through. And as you can see here, price just wasn't really respecting anything. There was no efficiency whatsoever, so I had to wait until the open. And I noticed over the past week that the whole of the move has happened in the first 15 minutes, 30 minutes of the day. So if we just come over here and look at the 15 and we come to Wednesday through Friday, first couple candles, we've got displacement, and then after that, we're kind of grinding. Same here, displacement, then grinding. So I kind of assumed that we'd follow a similar pattern today. So that being said, once the market opened, I figured we probably would get something better than what we saw in the pre-market. And as we opened, we traded through here, taking out this swing high and coming just short of these relative equal highs. But we took out the swing high from London, which I thought was good enough to go lower. And I figured we'd take out the swing low from London as well. But I also thought we'd come down here and take out what we created in Asia because it wasn't too far away. Um, 1 minute was a little too slow, but the 15-second and 5-second were a little too fast. So moved to the 30-second chart because that's right in between. And I waited for a order block. So we created an order block here. We had an order block here as well. But once we created this order block, I took an entry as we dug back into it. And you can see we started to come lower. And then we traded below that swing low from Asia. Well, not Asia, London. So I got rid of my contracts there. I left one runner in case we did come below Asia, but you can see here we did not. We immediately repriced higher. So the last of the contracts was taken out, I believe, just inside of the entry here. So in short, tried to take an entry here. Price was still pretty inefficient. So stopped out immediately. We got a little bit more efficient price delivery here, so I took another entry and ran down equity until we came about here, and then stopped out on the last contract here. As always, good luck, good trading, be safe.